Hello everyone, my name is Dakhore Tirupati and today's topic is conditional statement in Java. And today's date is 23 August. Conditional statement are those which allows you control the execution flow of the program depending on the they are also known as called as decision making statement. uh, uh, there are four type of conditional statement. First is statement, and second is if else statement, and third is if else statement, and fourth is the switch statement. First, if statement. If statement will go to the inside the block only if the condition is true. Otherwise, it will not execute the block. And second statement is if else statement. If else statement, if the condition is true, then it will execute the block. It will execute the else block. And third is the if else statement. If else statement is the condition is the true, then it will execute the if block. Otherwise, it will execute if else blocks. Again, if the condition is not execute, again the condition is not execute of if else block, it will move the else block. And fourth condition is the switch condition. Switch condition, switch statement. Switch statement allows program to select one action among multiple action during the program execution. In switch statement, switchable value will execute, then the default will be executed. It will optional to write. It will optional to write a break statement at the end case statement. Thank you.